So on today's vlog, guys, I'm gonna compare the two cameras which is very famous on the 2023, which is the Sony ZV-E10 and the Canon R50. So on today's vlog, guys, we will compare the Sony ZV-E10 over the Canon R50. So let's start. Okay, guys, the Canon R50 announced last February 8 of 2023 with a price of $749 US, while the Sony ZV-E10 is announced last July 30 of 2021 with a price of $700 US. So guys, reason to choose the Canon R50 over the Sony ZV-E10. First, you have already the built-in pop-up flash. Yeah, so you have a built-in pop-up flash. You have electronic viewfinder. And focusing points is 651 over 425 points from the R50 and ZV-E10. LCD screen resolution, you have 1.620K dots over 920K dots of ZV-E10. Continuous shooting burst mode, you have 15 frames per second over 11 frames per second of Sony ZV-E10. You have already focus stacking and bracketing. And of course, you have 170 megabytes per second bitrate over 100 megabits per second bitrate of Sony ZV-E10. You have already vehicle tracking and anti-flickering of the Canon R50. And guys, so reason to choose the ZV-E10 over the R50. First, you have the gyroscopic stabilization. Second, you have a product showcase mode. So product showcase mode, you know already that if you point the product, it will focus and it remove automatic will return back to the subject. So you have also dedicated switch from photo and video. You have more battery life, which is 440 shots over 370 shots of the Canon R50. Also the weight, you have more lighter. The ZV-E10, it's 343 grams over 375 grams of R50. Yan guys. Again, you have also the headphone port. From Sony ZV-E10, you have already headphone ports for monitoring. While the R50, you don't have a headphone port, only mic port. Also, you have a NFC connection from the Sony ZV-E10. So again, guys, these two camera have a similarity. Okay, first you have about unlimited video recording, depends on your battery and the memory. Of course, if you have an direct dummy battery for both camera and you have a big size of memory, then you have a good unlimited video recording. You have already wireless and Bluetooth connection. Fully articulated touchscreen. So both this camera is fully articulated touchscreen. You have already external flash hue. If you want to buy an external flat speed light, you have already face detection. And both camera, guys, is 24 megapixel. So both camera, ZV-E10, R50 is 24 megapixel. You have also the microphone port. So it's perfect for vlogging, time-lapse recording. You have also smartphone remote, digital video stabilization, webcam function, and eye tracking focus. And again, guys, both this camera is not a weather sealed camera. So this is the comparison between the R50 and the ZV-E10 of Sony. So again, guys, I think if you want more enjoy the photography, then I will go with the Canon R50 because again, you have already your viewfinder. First, you have already the viewfinder and you have also a pop-up flash. Again, they're about 24 megapixel, but you have a viewfinder and electronic viewfinder and a pop-up flash. If you are more in vlogging, content creator, making content, or more in videos, then I will go with Sony ZV-E10. First, you have already the microphone port and headphone port. Sorry, you have the headphone port and you have the gyroscopic stabilization on this camera. Also, the product showcase mode. This is a very helpful while you making a video or vlog or content. I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of these two products, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So all the Sony product and the Canon product is all already in our website. So yan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, shout out to Iki Mailag. Yan, shout out to Iki Mailag. Yan, at Iki Mailag. Hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.